Today we're diving into super juicy and flavor-packed recipe, mayonnaise chicken with hot chili mayo. Yes, you heard that right, mayonnaise isn't just for sandwiches, it actually makes an amazing marinade, locking in moisture and adding rich flavor to your chicken. Whether you're baking, grilling, or pan-searing, this trick will level up your chicken game big time, so let's get into it. Let's start by making the hot chili mayo. Combine 2 egg yolks, hot chili sauce in a bowl. Whisk together until smooth and slightly frothy. Then start adding the oil very slowly, a few drops at a time in the beginning while whisking constantly. You're basically creating an emulsion here. As the mixture thickens, you can add the oil a little more quickly in a thin stream, but still whisking constantly. Then season it with salt and adjust with more lemon juice or vinegar if needed. I'm actually aiming for a slightly thin consistency here, so I added more vinegar because I'm gonna be using it for marination, so I don't want it to be so thick as how the mayo should be. Here's what you'll need for this simple but tasty marinade. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl, then give it a good mix until it becomes a paste. Add in the chicken and mix thoroughly until everything is well coated. Cover it with plastic and marinate it for at least 2 hours or preferably overnight. After 2 hours, place the chicken on a baking tray with parchment paper and broil for 30 minutes. Broil it in the center of the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Flip the chicken and broil for another 30 minutes. Once it's ready, let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. The resting period allows the meat to retain heat so it's still warm when you cut into it, without the risk of losing moisture. So it's very important to be patient. It's time to do the plating, and of course I'm also going to use our homemade hot chili mayo. And there it is, perfectly cooked, juicy marinated chicken made with the magic of mayo. You won't believe how tender and flavorful this turns out to be.